Not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. In this video I am going to share you the new Microsoft endpoint, new Microsoft uh, Azure console, which is called Microsoft Entra Admin Center. So how you can access that? You have to just open the Microsoft Azure, right? The portal, portal.azure.com. As soon as login to the Microsoft Azure portal, you will see on the top this Microsoft Entra has simpler integrated so experience for managing all your identity and access management needs. If you want to try this new Microsoft Entra Admin Center, just click this. So once you click this, it will open. The URL is entra.microsoft.com, like Azure you accessing portal.azure.com. If you want to access this Entra Admin Center, you have to put entra.microsoft.com on your web browser and it will open, and sign in with your credentials. Okay, so what is in this new Entra Admin Center and how is it different from the Azure 2, right? From the Azure portal, right? So this portal actually is very unified, and you see here you can manage all the Azure Active Directory component. If you see um, in the left hand side, the users, groups, devices, application, product, and identity as well, right? And the permissions and the verified ID. So everything is here. I mean the identity governance, right? And all these, right? Since the entire identity infrastructure with the identity management and beyond, you will see here, and it's more in the multi-cloud environment. So we have the Azure Active Directory, which can manage and secure identities and connect with them apps and devices. Permission management, like discover, remediate, and monitor permissions. Verified ID, like decentralized identity. And the workload, if you want to manage and secure and govern the workload with the Azure AD workload. And the identity governance, right? This is the main like recycle workflow, and get started for free. So access free trial for the family, and identity is for family. So let's talk about just expand all this overview you've already seen, right? It's similar like Azure AD portal, but you can see all these everything in the waste with the waste user experience and clear like similar like Intune portal. If you see, so users, you can see the deleted users, groups. These are, I think you already you can see in the Azure portal. So it's a similar like Azure portal, but it's just a unified, and it's giving here, it's under devices, you can see the BitLocker key. Applications, you can see the enterprise applications, similar like, right? If you have any and the app registrations, if you want to register applications, product authentication method, everything is there. Password reset, similar like this one. Identity governance, let's talk about few things about this. Engage, like entitled management. Access, so access review, if you want to privilege identity management, which is actually very good. If you want to use that privileged identity management with the Azure AD rail for access, right? So device workflow as well. And external identities, if you have any cross identity, right? External all identity provider, you can add, like Google, Facebook, all those identity providers available, you can make the API connections through. So this is very good tool, I can say. So you can try this, access this Microsoft Entra Admin Center and explore and see how it's good. Many people don't know what is this Microsoft Entra admin portal. So try this and access this browser and get used of it, because it's very good experience, and you will see everything in the unified portal. Till then, thank you, have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe.